It's been a while since I've done a time-lapse sunrise, so I figured I'd take the drone up and see what's happening. You want to come outside? Yeah? You want to go? What you want? Do you want to go out? Might be nothing, but it could be something. So right now, just got the aircraft warming up. What you doing, Daisy? Come on. Why are you taking forever to warm up? Because it's only like 12 degrees out. There we go. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to go into its settings. I'm going to make sure that all my settings are how I want them. I want to be able to do a time lapse. So we've got to go over to photos. So we actually switch out of photos to camera. It's been a little while. Make sure we're in a JPEG format. Click on photo. We want to do timed shot. And we want to do 2 seconds, which that's already set. And then just click go. And then it's ready to go. And then as you can see right now, it's just going to keep doing its little time-lapse photo thing. So that's it. That's as easy as it is. So we'll see what this comes out like. Hopefully it comes out pretty cool. It actually looked a lot cooler when I first got up this morning. Right now it's, what time is it? It's 6:27. When I first got up, looking out my office window, it just had that deep red band. But you can see there's where the sun should be coming out right there. Hi, sweetie. What you doing? Alright, you can hear the drone right up there. There it is, right there. Been a while since I've had that thing up. See, we can see what I'm looking at. It kind of looks bland right now. Definitely looks a lot better when there's clouds, but as you can see, like on the screen itself, it's got some pretty cool clouds in there, so it should still be a pretty cool sunrise time lapse. We'll just wait until the battery level goes completely down and let's see. Get a better shot now. See that? Full screen now, right there. Looks pretty cool. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 15 degrees. Today, expect a high of 33 degrees.
I'll go in. Go ahead. Go in. Man, my fingers are freezing. All right, iPad. See, I guess that's why it's good to be able to control your drone without having the use of an iPad. That's why they always say to make sure that you know how to fly. Keep it line of sight, because this is a for instance right here. What do you see right there? Dead battery. But I needed to get the shots, so. And I can see that it's still taking pictures, obviously, because you can see the front lights flashing for each shot. The only thing I won't know is battery strength, which is no big deal. I had 40%, so I'm just going to disconnect this because we obviously don't need it now. Wow. You can always tell when it's cold out. But you can fly this drone without a screen. And that's the cool thing. You can hear it obviously in the controller, but you can see up on the drone itself. Now its tail lights, I call them its aft or tail lights. The aft lights are flashing red. So right now it's returning home. So I'll be able to take hold of that and control it myself. But I'm just going to let it come as low as it can. See? Daisy, come on. Go in. Let her go in for now, that way I can... Go ahead, go in. And now I can just control the drone myself. And I'm going to bring it to where it's right in that spot right there. All by itself. We're just going to take the drone in, download the footage, and see what it's looking like. What are you doing? Take off the head mount GoPro. No idea what I'm looking like now. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you'll always see what's going on with my channel and what I'm doing. Yeah, still looks clean, doesn't it?